Hello everyone, are you ready to have a great workout together? Let's start with a warm-up. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale. And bend your knees back straight, legs apart. And let's start to sway right, left. Make sure to keep an upper body still. Put your hands out. Up. Down. Keep going. Sway those hips side to side. Scoop to the front, forward and back. Make sure to move that pelvis to the front and backwards. Keep your hands still. Chest forward. Keep your knees bent. Make a circle with those hips. Big circle, forward and backward. Reverse. Reverse again. And reverse again. Twist to the side. Go in the corners. Front back, front back. Feet together and thumb out. Right, left, right, left, right, left. And still. Push those hips. Move those knees. You're doing great. Forward. Stay. Backwards. Stay. This side. Backwards. Make a circle with the hips. Reverse. Go to the side, open, close. Reverse. Reverse again. There you go, Varu. Twist the hips. Forward, backwards. To the side. Stay afata. Make the square. Right, back, back, front. To the front, back, back, front. Keep going. Switch. Well done, I hope you enjoyed training together. Please comment below about how helpful you found this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumb up, share and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to check out my online classes. I look forward to see you soon.